Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix. Today we will show you how to fix it when your PS5 won't turn on. Before we start, if you find this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, let's start it. Step 1. Unplug the power supply. Disconnect the power supply from your PS5 and the power outlet for 30 seconds. Reconnect the power supply, then try turning on the console. Step 2. Power cycle your PS5. If the console turns on but won't start up, hold down the power button until the blinking LED light turns off. Disconnect the power supply and let the console sit for 20 minutes. Then reconnect it and try turning on the system. Step 3. Try to insert a game disc. If you have a standard edition PS5 and the disk drive is empty, gently try to insert a game. Don't force it. If the PS5 automatically pulls in the disc, your console may start up as normal. Step 4. Use a different power outlet. There could be a problem with your power strip, your surge protector, or the wall socket. If other devices can draw power from the same outlet, try plugging your PS5 in elsewhere. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We've covered the steps to fix your PS5 won't turn on. If you face any problem or persist the same problem, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to reply your queries. If you discovered this video beneficial, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for additional tech tips and tutorials. For any inquiries or if you require further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Appreciate your time spent watching this video, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming content.